Welcome to Azad Kashmir, a land of stunning beauty and rich culture. Our journey begins in Mehmood Gali, a peaceful hill station in Forward Kahuta, known for its greenery and cool weather. Here, surrounded by misty mountains, visitors find tranquility away from city life. Next, we explore the majestic Hillan Waterfall, hidden deep in Azad Kashmir's valleys. Its cascading waters create a mesmerizing sight, drawing visitors to witness nature's grandeur. Finally, we visit Khursheedabad, a charming village nestled among the mountains. Its traditional architecture and scenery atmosphere offer a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. As we conclude our journey, let the memories of Azad Kashmir's beauty and culture linger in your heart, reminding us of the timeless allure of this enchanting land.